Tired of tangled cables? Tidy them up instantly using binder clips. Stick them to the edge of your desk and never lose a cord again.
Did you know that the internet was originally designed to withstand a nuclear attack? It was built for military resilience. Want to chill a warm drink fast? Wrap it in a wet paper towel and put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. It'll be ice cold in no time.
Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are thousands of years old and still perfectly edible.
Stop struggling with stuck lids. Just wrap a rubber band around the jar lid for extra grip. It'll open effortlessly.
Want your phone to run faster? Close background apps. Clear browser cache. This will free up valuable memory. Do this regularly.
Did you know that the Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer? Heat causes the metal to expand. Need to revive stale bread? Just run it under a quick stream of water, then bake it in the oven for a few minutes. Did you know that lightning strikes Earth about 100 times every second? That's millions of strikes each day.
Want to check if an alkaline battery is good? Drop it from about 6 inches on a hard surface. If it bounces and falls, it's dead. But if it just falls, it's good to go.
Stop wasting toothpaste. Use a bobby pin to squeeze it all up, or cut the tube in half to get every last bit out. No more waste. No more waste. Need a quick funnel? Roll up a piece of paper to pour liquids mess-free. Keep your herbs fresh. Store them in a jar with water. Just like flowers. Want to make your phone speaker louder? Just place it in a glass or a bowl. It instantly amplifies the sound. Try it out yourself. Clean your microwave easily. Micro water with lemon slices. Then just wipe it down. Got tough candle wax spills? Just run an ice cube over it to harden it. This makes it brittle. Then gently scrape it right off. Keep onions fresh. Store them in clean, perforated pantyhose. Hang them in a cool, dark place. Lost something small on the floor? Put a stocking over your vacuum hose. Secure it with a rubber band. And just sweep the area. There it is, safe and sound. Prevent your chopping board from sliding. Place a damp cloth or paper towel underneath. Now it is perfectly safe and secure. Prevent your chopping board from sliding. Place a damp cloth or paper towel underneath. Now it is perfectly safe and secure. Keep your cords tangle-free by wrapping them around binder clips, or using old toilet paper rolls to keep them separated. Remove sticker residue easily. Just apply a little peanut butter or coconut oil, let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it away. Clean, shiny, and completely residue-free. Keep your bathroom mirror fog-free. Rub a little shaving cream on it and wipe it clean. It works every time. It works every time. Did you know that putting your candles in the freezer makes them last much longer? Just freeze them for a few hours before burning.
Want to peel garlic fast? Put the cloves in a jar. Now shake it vigorously. Look at that, perfectly peeled. Ready to use.